Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Trend Trader. This is a YouTube channel where we do daily analysis and sometimes we do live streaming. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ofente, and allow me to take this time and welcome you all. This is a live streaming for today, the 25th of April, and we gonna trade NASDAQ or US100. We're gonna do it live. We are just few seconds away from the opening session. Okay, before the opening session, it's 15:29 and it's 9:29 a.m. in the US. And ladies and gentlemen, I want you to understand that we are trying all our best to provide you guys with a lot of information and make sure that you are profitable when it comes to your trading journey or your trading career. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to try and make sure that during the opening session I'm aware of the market, what is going on now. Okay, here's the mouse. Here's my mouse. Yeah, allow me to take this moment and push where I can push. Yeah, let me see if my system is giving me what I've been looking for. So yeah, it's almost there. We are just a few 1 minute, yes, 1 minute from the opening session. The market is opening. New York session is open, and we want to see where is our US 100 going. So ladies and gentlemen, allow me to take a second to do this. Just gonna do this. Yes, so I'm still trying to check the news, and so that we can be able to know where is the price going on the news, so that we can be able to know is the price going with the news. I'm trying by all means to fix this, but okay, let me do this. I think it will work out, don't worry. I think it will work out just fine. Yeah, it will work out just fine. So ladies and gentlemen, we are on 4 hourly time frame. The market is open. Remember that, let me do this. Remember that we used to have our price pushing towards the downside, and the price managed to break. Still have to do this to update others. The price managed to break that previous trend there to push towards the upside, where it end up giving us the, yeah, there we go, just ignore. Okay, then we end up having the double top right here. I hope this is visible for you guys. Let me use this thing. Must always be the is the double top. Yeah, if it's too bright, I'll just have to yeah, let's do it like this. Okay, the price, it seems like it's reaching our demand. It's just about to reach our demand level. Let's fix this. This is our demand. Don't want them to be too dark, but at least it must be, the borders must be visible. Yes, On 4-hourly time frame, ladies and gentlemen, when we look at our price, the price gave us or presented this channel to us. I hope you guys are able to see this type of channel we had. This channel we are having here. No man, this must come closer. Let's use the line chart and be able. Yeah, this is exactly what I'm trying to show. But you know, must be, this must be like this, I guess. Okay, but anyway, this makes sense. This seems like it's making sense because the price retested the area. Okay, let's go to the Chinese capital. I want to do the analysis while I'm trying to trade live. Okay, let's go to a 1 hour time frame and be able to see. Remember, we are in a bearish trend. This is our bearish trend. The channel just presented us with this bearish trend. So in a bearish trend, what are we looking for? We just have to look for the points where we will sell. Just have to look for the areas where we can place ourselves. Definitely we managed to sell from this double top. I want you guys to be aware of something. The price gave us this type of structure previously. I hope this is visible. I hope this is visible. These are the type of levels where the price respected the area. And there's one thing that I want you guys to understand. If you find your price doesn't reach the what you call the resistance or the support, if the price doesn't push towards the resistance and the diagonal resistance, your trend line, like here the price made a turning point, and here the price made a turning point, but it didn't push closer to the trend line as much as this turning point, but this turning point might manage to reach the trend line. I hope this is more visible. You guys do understand. The price gave us or presented this support, and this was the breakout of the support, the previous support, and now the price pushed towards the downside, came to retest this retest. Then we said this is our resistance. The price turned the level into the resistance, pushed towards the downside where it gave us the U10, a turning point. Excuse me. Where the price gave us a U10, the turning point, and the price gave us another point where we will use as our trend line, diagonal support. The price pushed, retested, came back, retest the area. This is the resistance. So whenever the price comes closer to this level, we just have to look for the selling, for the sales, for the sell opportunities. Even if it doesn't reach the diagonal resistance, you just have to look for sell opportunities because it's at the previous support area. So now you will use the strategy of trading the support and resistance strategy when it comes to this. If you find your price doesn't break, if you find your price finding it hard to break this area, you just have to use the support and resistance strategy. So you look forward for the next level what you have to do, you just have to go to the left, place your horizontal line to the previous turning points or significant points. As you can see, at this level there were a couple of times where the price made those significant points. This was retested, this was resistance, and now this is the support. So I want to push close. I want you guys to follow me while I'm doing this analysis towards our current position where the price is at, so that you can be able to understand what is happening. And we had a bearish flag here. You guys, if you follow our trend line social platforms, please do follow us on Instagram. Yes, this is our Instagram page. Please do follow us there so that you can see there's a video that I uploaded there on our Instagram page. The video is about the double tops and it's about the chart patterns. Let me put it like that. Yes, it's about the chart patterns. So the video, actually, this is where I was using, this is the chart that I was using. Let me just reveal the chart that I was using now. I think I was using the Wanda. Is it Wanda? Yeah, I think it's Wanda. Yes. Wanda, yeah. I think it's Wanda. Yeah. So I want you guys to be aware of our previous trades. Okay, I'm not bragging, it's just for trying to help you guys to see exactly what we are, how we analyze. The chart looks messy, The chart looks messy when we trade like this. The chart looks messy, but there's something that I want you guys to understand. Even though it looks messy, you will have to trade and you understand it better because you are the one who did the analysis. So ladies and gentlemen, you can see that we had a support and resistance level. This level right here, it is our previous support. The price respected the area and broke out of this area level, pushed towards the downside, came to retest. As you can see, it gave us a W pattern type, pushed towards the upside to retest again, and now the price pushed towards the downside. We were looking for the selling position just after those closing candlesticks. Let me just clear the chart there so that you can be able to see something. You can see from 4-hour time frame, this is what the chart was presenting to us. For us to take this trade, for us to be able to take this trade, the price came towards the area, and with this type of candlesticks, you can see that the price was giving us a signal of it will make it's either it's gonna make a U-turn around this level, because it was slowing down. The momentum was slowing down. When you find yourself, or when you find the price around this type of scenario, you will notice that when the price is approaching these levels, you will see that in this scenario the price will present some of a signal that it's losing momentum. With this small candlesticks, you can see that our next candlestick after this 3 candlesticks, bullish candlesticks, that we're losing momentum, the price closed bearish. I hope you can see. Let me close. You can see the price closed bearish, and this is the pattern. This is also a chart pattern, candlesticks patterns. If you know the candlesticks, it shows a reversal. Then we waited for the next candlestick to close, this one. After it closed, the price pushed towards the upside to retest. Just after the price pushed towards this level here, we end up selling, or taking that selling positions, and boom, what do they say, boom. Yeah, we waited for it up until this level. The reason why we knew that we have to hold towards this level is because we look at our left side. You have to always look at the left side for you to be able to understand, to place your horizontal lines. Like for example, if you place it here, you can see the price was reacting around this level. Look at this. I want you guys to get this. I want you guys to get this into your heads. But look, the price pushed towards the downside and made the U-turn. You place your horizontal line for the future purpose. This is what is happening. Now, this is what we're gonna do. You see, now we are selling. The price is bearish. Actually, it's playing around this level. You see, this is what I mean. You place your horizontal lines around these areas where the price made a U-turn. These are the significant levels. When we push, or when we look at our left side here, let me zoom out this 50%. Yeah, when we look at our left side, you can see that our price managed to make a very important or significant level around this area here, around this level here. And you have to place your what you call your horizontal lines on these weeks, so that you can be able to know that the price is gonna do something around these levels. I want you to see something. Like for now, the price found the support here. I hope this will template. Where is the support? Yeah, the price found the support zone here, support level here. Now, since the price found the support, remember we are on the 4-hourly time frame. Actually, I should write it 4-hourly time frame so that we can always remember. So you guys get this, ne? You get this, ne? That the price managed to make a significant. Why this color? Prefer yellow. Yes. So if the price managed to make significant U-turns around these horizontal lines, these are the marks for you to be able to, those are the markings for you to be aware of this type of levels in future. You see the price is about to break this level, the horizontal. Why is it too light? Okay, let's go with this. Yeah, so that it can be visible. The price is about to break this level. If it breaks and close below this level, I'm telling you, we are selling. Just have to look at this. If the price closes below this level, if it breaks and closes below, we're gonna have a very bearish day. Let me look at our time. I think we are left with 3 minutes before the price, before the candlestick close. No, that's 3 hours 11 minutes. Yeah, you know what, let me do this. This is disturbing me. Let me go to settings. This buying and ask line here that is playing around here, it's not working for me. Where is it? Yeah, buy and sell buttons. Nah, that's not it. This case, I think it's with beat and ask labels. Yeah, that's it. it's busy playing around here, and then it's interrupting me, like it's distracting me. I'm trying to look at how many minutes of the candle to close. We are on 4 hourly time frame, and we are left with 3 hours 10 minutes for the candle to close. So let's go to 2 hourly time frame. We are pushing towards those lower time frames. We are pushing towards those lower time frames for us to be able to see where is our price going. I hope you guys do appreciate what is happening here. Trying to find a area here. This looks more like a retest, because this is your, let me do this, let me just place this. Yeah, you can see our price. Nasdaq was pushing, so this is our lower high, and this is our lower low. This is our lower high. You see, now the price broke out of this bearish channel, broke out of this diagonal support. Now it pushed towards the downside. It's about to retest. If it respects this diagonal support, previous diagonal support, if it respects it and push towards the downside, it's gonna be our resistance. Then we will be saying the price is pushing towards the downside. We are looking for selling positions. I hope that makes sense. So this is our wave. No, this can be our lower high. This cannot be our lower high, because why I'm saying this cannot be our lower high, this is our lower high, because you can see the price. What's going on here? Okay, the price pushed towards the downside and gave us this, then broke this previous. All right, and now the price didn't break this previous resistance. It pushed towards the downside. So you can see this is our lower high. As you can see, the price tried to push towards the upside but didn't manage. Now this is our lower high. This level is the same as this level, so we can't say this is our lower high, because this level here cancelled this level. So this is our lower high. Does that make sense? The chart looks messy, by the way. Let me clear everything. Oh, look at that price. This is 2 hourly time frame. Look at our candle. It looks like we're not having a volatile chart today. The price is not that volatile. I think it's Monday. You know, Mondays, man. Mondays are not always good days for trading. Mondays, the price still trying to find its way around the around the chart, whether it's selling or it's bearish. When I look at my time, we are just left with 7 minutes. Is it 7 minutes? Yeah, 7 minutes towards 4 p.m. in South Africa time, and 7 minutes towards 10 a.m. in the US time. Let's look at our our news, fundamental news. Remember, when you are a trader, you have to go around this information, use this information so that you can be able to know where your price is going. Ladies and gentlemen, today we don't have those high volatility expected news. I hope you can see this right here. This 3 stars, they show that the news are very volatile. This is but you can still change it. You can still change this. These are the filters right here. You can still go around and say apply. Click on the double stars and apply. Let's see medium volatile news. The US, okay, it was in the morning. This is South African time, So now still we don't have medium volatile news. Really? Okay. Investing.com, okay. We don't have those high volatile news. We just even moderate volatile. You don't have the medium volatile. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to subscribe and click the like button if you like what you see. This is our my FX book. Let's see economic calendar. With their economic calendar, maybe there might be something different there. No news. 25. This was medium. Advertisements. How do I remove it now? Okay, continue. So here it says 34 minutes to your medium. Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index. Dallas Fed. News will take you places. But here we don't have. Investing.com doesn't see that as very important news. Okay, let's read. The performance of the manufacturing sector in the state of Texas is measured by the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index. According to the index, which is drawn from a survey of over 100 corporate executives and measures several indicators such as output, employment, orders, and prices, a value greater than 0 shows an increase in factory activity when compared to the previous month. A reading less than 0 indicates a decrease in factory activity, and reading of 0 indicates no change. Texas accounts for around 9.5% of total manufacturing production in the United States. The state comes in second place behind California in terms of factory production, but it ranks first in terms of exports of manufactured goods. I don't think this has something to do with our trades. It has nothing to do with our NASDAQ. Remember, NASDAQ is technical, Remember that NASDAQ is technical. So let's see gold. Gold forces us investors sidestep precious metal for more attractive safe havens. What? Hey, let's check our gold. The price is still playing around this level. I think it respects the level. Let's see our gold. They say gold falls. All right, this is exactly what it says now. That's exactly what we see right there. Okay, let me see something. Let me check something. This is all about gold. Where is then? Let me see something. cnbc.com, but here it is. Why didn't I just go? Okay, I was still going around. So let's see. US markets. Our CNBC shows that the price is sailing today. This is our Nasdaq. This is our bot, looks bearish. Okay, VIX something out, I guess. Those VIX 75 and VIX 1. Let's read the news while the price is playing around that level. The US wants to see Russia weakened. Blinken says Moscow has already failed. I would also want to see Russia weakened. U.S. Secretary of State Anthony Blinken and Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin visited Ukraine on Sunday to discuss military aid with Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky. That's how they sound, the Russians and the Ukrainian. Oh man, this is sad to look at the pictures of war. War is sad, man. Why we experience this? But traders, they like to see such news. It seems like, usually when, this is strange, usually when gold drops, you will find your Nasdaq push towards the upside. That's what usually happens. That's what usually I come across. But this time, okay, let's see. Let's see gold. Let's see something. Let's see gold analysis. Last time when I did this I was doing the analysis of gold, I found that there was a cup handle chart pattern. Let me go to weekly so that it can be able to zoom. Yes, there was a cup handle. This is the news, the chart pattern that I had last time. You can see that this is our cup handle, and cup handles are bullish. Yes, they are always bullish. So you can see the cup handle here. You just have to expect the gold to break this level, but you can see now it's dropping. Don't think this is necessary. Let's just remove. See, today gold is dropping. Let's go to 4-hourly time frame, reset the chart. Okay, there's a very significant level that I see here that gold has presented to us. I hope this is visible. This looks more like our demand, your demand area. Let me put it right here so that you can understand. This looks more consolidation. This structure right here, it looks more consolidating than, it's not bullish, it's not bearish, it's not it's more consolidation. Excuse me. It's winter in South Africa. It's early days of winter. I think you should keep warm. Let's go back to Nasdaq. Remember, we are trading Nasdaq and the price was playing around that level. Oh, excuse me. We still have to wait and see if it will break. Let's do this. I think I'll have to place my position here. If it breaks this level, it can still come back. I will place my stop loss just around this area. excuse me just have to place my stop loss around this area. When the price breaks this level here, it will find me placing my selling stop order here. The next candle is if it push towards, by the way, let me use it like this. Yes, I will place my stop order around here. And then another thing, if the price breaks this level here, let me do this. That's two. Let me place your long position around here, and my stop order will be around this level. So if the next candlestick is bullish, I'll have to wait for the candlestick to close around. Actually, this is for our time frame. Let's go to 1 hour time frame, and you will see there's much difference. That's what I was saying. The price is playing around this area for a very long time. Since the opening, the price has been bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. So it's boring. Let's see. If the price breaks this area, it will find my buying stop order around here. Because at the moment, I don't even see. Let's go to the lower time frame. I want to see if there's any entry opportunities. Let's look at this. This doesn't make sense to me. Doesn't make sense to me. I think it's about to form some of. I think it's about to form those. Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we come across when we trade during this time of the year. Seasons are changing, and some of us are very sensitive. Anyway, let's go back to 1 hour chart. No, we don't have to see if we will manage to take. We don't have to take any sales at the moment. We just have to wait for the price to give us a clear signal. If this is a retracement, the price should just show us that it's retesting and it will push towards the downside. I hope this makes sense. And we are just 7 minutes after 9 a.m. the US time, and 7 minutes just after 4 p.m. South African time. You can see that the price is just playing around this level. It's not giving us any signal. It's Monday. Mondays you don't really get those clear signal. But one thing I can tell you, this seems more like a rectangle chart pattern. This seems more like a rectangle chart pattern, and we might see our price pushing towards the upside. If you can see, this looks more like a, let's go to those candlesticks pattern. Yeah, this looks more like a, what you call, a rectangle chart pattern. Actually, it's a U. And usually, if it's more like a rectangle chart pattern, it's gonna push towards the upside when it breaks this level. I hope this makes sense. Here we had a flag chart pattern. I hope this is visible. This was our pole. We had to wait for the price to break this level and place those selling positions. I hope it makes sense. So this is U. The price is about to make a U-turn. One thing that I foresee, the price will give us this type of structure before we witness a bullish trend. I wanted you guys to see this this is more like a turning point. The reason I'm so confident that the price is making a U-turn is because what is happening here, this triple bottom area. So we just have to go like this triple bottom area right here is our demand area, that we should always remember that this level is significant. Let's just place the demand area. That's not visible. Let's go with your 24. Actually, let me do it like this so that we can always remember that this is our demand area. Let me just join them. So there's 3 bottom there. It shows the very significant level of our price. Let me reset. We had a double bottom previously, and this is our supply zone or supply area. We can say supply area, and we had a support 10 into resistance level right there. Those are the previous trades. So at the moment, we are waiting to see whether the price will respect or will break the area there. When I look at my time, it's just 11 minutes after 9 a.m. and our candlestick excuse me, my throat is not it's not performing today. It's not doing so well. Let's see, ladies and gentlemen, let's see. It's a bit cloudy around Johannesburg, South Africa, so you can expect such things. Your throat won't be in a good state. Today we don't see any volatility here. The price is gonna give us this consolidation. But one thing I can tell you, if the price breaks this level, we have to look for retest and buying positions around here. So if it doesn't break this level, and push towards the downside, we will have to wait for the price to come and break this level, look for your retest and push towards the downside with it. I hope it makes sense. I really want to say thank you very much to those who are watching our live. This is I really appreciate you guys. This is very important to us. We really feel more appreciated when you guys are watching our live streams. A round of applause to you guys. We really appreciate it. If I was wearing a hat, I would take off my hat, but I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe, those who haven't subscribed, and click the notification bell on the side so that you can be notified every time when I upload or when I go live. And please like and share the video with your friends so that they can also find themselves doing what we are doing, like trading. I meant trading. Don't have, let me place this, not this, let me use this. You just have to look for this type of, yeah. Now I wanted to make a U-turn here, yeah, that's it. Then we will have to wait for that. Mondays are not always good days for trading. Mondays, man. Mondays are not always good days for trading. We just have to wait and see whether our price will push towards the downside or the upside. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. This price is not giving us what we want, bruh. Okay, this is gonna, remember we are at the demand area. This is our rectangle to show us that we are on the demand area. You know the reason I'm doing the what you call big high time frames is because the lower time frames are more noisy. So the higher time frames, you can be able to go around the chart and be comfortable with what you can see. The price present itself very clearly to you. It doesn't, you don't struggle. Like there are a lot of what you call, there are a lot of choppy strategies, I mean structures around the price when you are trading the lower time frames, especially your 5-minute time frame, especially your 15 minutes. Yeah, the price is choppy, man, and it's noisy. You can't see it clearly, but when you, this is what I mean, we are on 15-minute time frame, and look what I'm talking about. Look at what I'm talking about. This is noisy. Like you're trying to place your, but when you go to the bigger time frame, you won't have a struggle. Let's go to 1 hour time frame and see what I mean. And see what I mean. You know, today is not a good day to trade. This is, for me, doesn't do it for me. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I really appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video and comment. Please comment. I would like to hear what do you guys think about the channel. I would like to hear from you guys. What do you think about our channel? When you go to 5-minute time frame, look at this. You struggle to understand what is going on here. 5-minute time frame, 15 minutes time frame are for scalpers. I take it like the scalpers are the one who will be going around the chart and be like, okay, this area, it's a area you have to look for sales. then it's too small, soon you close because it might push towards the upside. You selling, close before it push towards the upside. Just look for the big trends. From here, when you are in a higher time frame, from here, when you placed your buy here, you will just hold and the price will push towards your target. But this is a 5 minutes time frame for scalpers, man. If you are a scalper, yeah, those are your 5 minutes time frame. EKJ, I see you, brother. Finally somebody is commenting. Finally someone is commenting. That's nice. German business confidence unexpectedly rises. IFO says, okay. Business confidence in Germany has stabilized at a low level following a sharp drop in the previous month due to high energy price and uncertainty from the Ukraine war. The IFO Business Climate Index rose to 91.8 points in April from 90.8 points in March. IFO Business. Germany news. These are more UK. When you do these are the fundamental news when you do if you trade the currencies. EKJ, I will suggest. Okay, I see you, brother. I see your comments. Mr. EKJ, can you please do send me an email on trendlinestrader@gmail.com? I would really love to communicate with you away from the chat, away from the comments there. Let's just communicate on the emails there. Yes, thank you very much for contacting me. I can see you, brother. You are online. I thank you. I really appreciate those who are on our live stream at the moment. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to subscribe. Can you please like and comments down below? I really like to see your comments. Okay, wait, let's go to 1 hour time frame. Our price is not volatile today, man. Our price is not volatile. You will end up thinking maybe you are offline. You will end up thinking that you are offline. Look at this. Let's look at our watch list here. What is happening? Where is your Apple? Where is your Amazon? Where is your Microsoft? Where is your Meta business? Facebook, Google? Why are they not pushing the price like this? Okay, they are chopping, that's why. This is your Apple. Let's do this for the future purpose. Let's go to line chart there. For future purpose, let's do this. Check the Apple. This is a channel, bearish channel of Apple. You can see is Oh, my mouse is too fast. Okay, you can see it's also pushing. Let's reset. For our time frame, the reason I'm doing this on April is because I'm doing it for the future people, so that in future I will know that the price of Apple has pushed towards this direction. This is nice to witness, man. This is nice to witness. Look at this. Previous resistance, breakout, support, previous breakout to give us a fake breakout, went back, and now this. It's your Apple. Let's see your Amazon. Okay, they are bearish today, hence you see. Okay, let's go back to Nasdaq. I guess, what is the time now? 25 minutes after 4 p.m. South African time, 25 minutes after 10 p.m. US time, and we are just 4 minutes few seconds to 10:30. Let's check the Nasdaq 100. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to like and subscribe. My chart looks messy, but you know what? This works for me. You will always understand your mess. You will find builders making the area you'll find builders working in a messy area, and just later on, when they are done, you will be like, wow, this is beautiful. But if you came while they were busy building, you will be like, this is a messy place to work on. Now this is a messy place to work on. Okay, my other screen just switched off here. I don't know why it switched off. Okay, there we go. Was it the battery low or something? Yes, you can see now our price is about to break this level. Let's go to the lower time frame, 30 minutes. I hope you guys placed your buying stop orders, or if you don't place your buying stop orders, remember that you have to wait for that retest. Excuse me. You have to wait for that retest before you place other buying orders, before you enter. Excuse me. Hey, my throat. I'll be fine in Jesus' name. Amen. I'm healed. So, ladies and gentlemen, if we wait for this candlestick to close, it's about to close around this level here. If it closes above this level, we will know that it's a breakout. We are left with, remember, we are in 30 minutes time frame, and we are left with 1 minute few seconds for this to close. 1 minute to 10:30 a.m. the US time, and 4:30 p.m. South African time. Just have to wait for this to close. This candle to close. and then boom, we will see if we have a retest and push towards the upside. 30 minutes time frame. The price is pushing. Please, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel so that we can push the channel for us to be able to monetize. After monetizing, we will have to spend the money to the channel to improve our channel and to improve our internet connection so that we can. There we go. The price is pushing. 30 seconds, 29 seconds, 28 seconds, 27. Okay, let me stop with the countdown. But the price candlestick is about to close. One thing that I am looking forward for is the price to break this level, previous diagonal support, and if it does break out of it, we continue with the ride of bullish trend. And if it doesn't, if it respects this area, clearly this was our retest and the price will push towards the downside. I hope this makes sense to some of you guys. I wanted to check the news. There's no news actually. There's no news. The thing is, you will find when you see these big candlesticks, you just want to check if there's news happening somewhere. You want to see if there's news happening somewhere. There we go. Buying stops are triggered and the price is pushing. The price is pushing towards the upside. Buying stop has been triggered. Just have to wait if this will. Since well it was triggered from this, now we have to wait for the price to break this diagonal previous support. Push NASDAQ. Let's push NASDAQ. Let's push NASDAQ. There we go. I'm trying to there we go. It's just 2 minutes after 10:30 p.m. 2 minutes after 4:30, after 10:30 a.m. in the US time, and after 4:30 p.m. in South African time. Now this candlestick is showing me flames. If this candlestick closes like this, it clearly says the price is respecting this previous diagonal support. If it closes like this or below, it clearly says it's respecting this level. Remember this level. Why daily now? I wanted 4 years. Remember this level. This is what I mean. Remember this level. We had this chart right here. We had this channel where the price, the previous support, turned the price into the resistance. As you can see here, the price respected the level, pushed towards the downside, and now on 4-hourly time frame, this candlestick is left with 2 hours 25 minutes before it closes. If it closes around this level, it respects this area, so we will have to wait and see if it closes above. If it closes around this level here, now we can say now the price is continuing with your bullish trend. I hope this makes sense. I hope this, there we go. Okay, I think we are witnessing some of volatility today. I mean, after 4 p.m., after 10 a.m. But it looks more like a retest. This move here looks more like a retest. Let's go to the lower time frame, 1 hour time frame, and be able to see if the price, the candlestick is choppy. 30 minutes time frame, it looks more choppy and it looks like it's losing momentum. Fifteen minutes time frame, there it clearly looks more like, just have to wait and see. Just have to wait and see. It's gonna take some time. It's gonna take some time before it closes, before it breaks. If it breaks, it's gonna take some time. But with 1 hour time frame, it gives us, or it presenting this type of engulfing candlestick pattern. This candlestick is very bullish. It's even engulfing. It shows us an engulfing. So in 1 hour time frame, we are left with 23 minutes before the 1 hour closes, before the candlestick closes. The next candlestick, if it opens around this area, we will witness those bullish candlesticks. This looks bullish. Remember, the buying stops are triggered. Just have to wait and see with the lower time frame. If the next candlestick in 30 minutes time frame, we are left with 22 minutes for the candlestick to close. It looks bullish. It looks bullish, man. This looks bullish. It's gonna take time to break. Ladies and gentlemen, I really thank you very much. I really want to take this moment and thank you very much for your time, for watching our live stream. This is a retest. Please don't forget to like and share the video with your friends and subscribe, since the channel is growing from your subscriptions. and don't forget to click the notification bell there, so that you can be notified every time I upload. Or this price man is playing around this level. Okay, just a minute, I'll be right back. Let me do this for now. I'll be right back and see where is this price will go.